What's up, guys? We're gonna take off the rear main seal. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. Take that off, replace the seal, and put it back on, and then get the flywheel and the clutch. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, 2 13s, and well, actually 6 10s and 2 13s. There goes the seal. You can see like it's all cracked. Got our fresh new seal. And I'm going to show you how to install it. Alright, I got these 2 bricks for support, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to hit the seal out on the edges here, and it should just pop right out. It fell right out. Alright guys, we're gonna hit the new seal in place. Just want you guys to see. We're gonna keep this plastic piece on, and we're gonna put the old seal on, and then get like a piece of wood to put on top and just lightly hit it in. Alright guys, I ain't got a piece of wood, but I do have this wood handled hammer from Milwaukee. I know, y'all gonna roast me, I know, but this is the only thing I have to use, and I'm just gonna hit it evenly until it goes in place. On, it's all evenly so over here. Take this old one off and put the new one on. Got the new one. Alright, time to put the... Alright guys, we're gonna put some RTV on the bottom of this. Make sure you try to clean it off as much as possible. Okay. Now we're going to install it. I tried putting some oil on it so it like.
Did you really use your Craftsman set to hold the engine up?
Don't gotta talk about that. You got a smaller flathead?
Yeah. Cut this off.
That's the reason why I came over, so you can hold the camera.
Rather do that than get dirty nowadays.
There you go.
Hey bro, this dog always out. Look, every day.
That's that the dude that gave you that?
No, that's not his dog. He don't have a dog. She's out every day. I see her roaming the street every single day.
This her block.
You gonna have to edit this.
I'm gonna leave it in there. Ain't no lie. I just want to do this.
You gotta let them see a real beamer over there.
I just want to do this and go home.
All the way.
I thought you were gonna fucking help me, bro. Damn, bro.
It's cold. Red light means it's dying.
No, it's recording.
the flashing light? See, I got iPhone. This shit bougie. It just shut off.
Tap the screen. Bam.
That's so stupid.
It's a fucking, it's a 7, a GoPro 7.
What are they on now?
Like 10. Way beyond my shit. And these are 10s, these are 13s. 13. I don't know what the torque spec, but we gonna ugga dugga.
Two ugga duggas. I was about to say that ain't the right one, Playboy. And you're not supposed to put chrome sockets on that, but that's besides the point. Boy, it's brick out here in Florida. I don't give a fuck what you say. It's cold.
You know what you do? You need to go live in New York for a couple years.
Nope. They don't got parking spots. Can't do it. I was about to say, let that hoe eat. You couldn't get that gun in there? I don't like how the screen shuts off on this. It should stay on if you're recording. Maybe there's...
I got my electric ratchet inside the car.
Maybe there's a way...
You should go get it.
It's got a socket on it.
I've been looking for that one. I thought I lost it.
Yeah, I think he wants to run his 5 series.
Homeboy don't want the Eclipse, boy.
Shit, slow your roll. How mad you be if you put this engine and it don't start?
It started when you took that bitch out.
I'm just, there you go. I'm glad we got that on camera. You heard it.
Why wouldn't it fucking just start up?
I don't know why.
You trying to jinx me?
Why doesn't anything happen the way you want it to happen? Yeah, but it's for this engine.
What's that?
Yeah, but you love that.
I still gotta tap it on. Oh, fucking really?
I ain't working on shit. Before I gave you this engine.
This blue thing on the side.
And he sat at that stop sign revving at me when I was working on the black E36. He wasn't here?
No.
Oh, give me a Gatorade.
I got blue and orange.
I'm not sure, dying.
Hell yeah.
You want orange or blue?
Orange.
Good, because they're probably gonna want blue.
Yeah. Got the shaft greased up. We got a new pivot pin with the spring. This bitch, man. Alright guys, we got the old pilot bearing out. Got the new one in. All the bolts are torqued down. Alright guys, so my friend stripped one of these bolts right here on the inside. So I had to take the old one out and get a new one. And now, I'm going to torque this bitch down to 25 foot-pounds and call it a day. Get my torque stick. Never use power tools. Only when you're breaking bolts off.